There's two common styles of master pins for tracks, the T-type and the press fit. T-type, press fit. And this is why it's called a T-type. For a T-type pin, it's held in place with a cotter pin that you'll have to bend to keep in place, and when you remove it, you gotta cut it, so take a replacement. You run across them when a repair requires you to split the track. In our experience, we always recommend you bring a new pin before you get to the job. Should come with washers, because it's either gonna come out super easy and you might be able to reuse the pin, or if it supersedes, you're gonna have to cut it and torch it out. These two examples are for the PC200, the T-type, and the press fit. Good catch. We're going to give these a wash, and then we'll give you a quick breakdown on the track group. The complete assembly is called the track group or track assembly. A track group is made up of track shoes, pads, that are bolted to the track chain. The track chain, often called the rails, is made up of track links. This is a complete track link. Link, bushing, link. This is what a track link looks like when it's new. There's also these washers that go right in here. Out of all the pins, there's one master pin that's designed to be removed so you can split the track easily. The pin is going to look slightly different from the rest. The T-type is much easier to identify than the press fit style. You either look for this profile on the outside or you look for the cotter pin on the inside. The press fit is more generic and not every manufacturer makes the T-type. The benefits to a T-type is supposed to be easier to install and remove. The benefit to the press fit is that you can use it on any link if you shave it down. Once you find the master pin and identify which type it is, there's three common ways to remove the pin. 1. You can sledge it out if you got 2 people. 2. You can air hammer it out with the big CHOOCH, and if it's seized, just add heat or carefully cut a hole down the middle. 3. You can use a track press, but they're a bit spendy, so maybe rent one. We'll have links to the tools you'll need for each method in the description in this video, as well as some example videos demonstrating the different methods. That's our quick video on the 2 common track master pin styles. Want to learn more about parts? Check out this video. Love tools? Check out this video. Need tools? FortisHD.com. We also sell premium rubber tracks.